I got bands. Welcome back to my channel, Tech Fix Reviews here. Thank you so much for joining me again. And today I'm super excited because I have Bandletic Apple Watch bands. They sent me some over for a review, 4 to be exact, different colors, gray, orange, black, green. I love me colors. And I like trying new things on my watches. So without further ado, let's do this. If you like content like this, please take 1 second, hit that subscribe button, like this video, share it with a friend who has an Apple Watch. I love Apple Watches. Hopefully, you know people who love Apple Watches too. Hopefully you love Apple Watches or even just tech reviews in general. I know I do. All right, so let's get this popping. Which one shall we start with? First of all, I just want to say thank you to Bandletic for sending these bands over. I have been a big fan of this company since they started. I have a few bands myself, and by no means is this a sponsored video. I will be giving my honest review, but I do like their bands to begin with, so take that how you will. Let's start with something I don't usually rock, which is an orange strap. So I have the Apple Watch Ultra, as some of you may already know. This one that I'm wearing is by Bandletic. Love it, ultra suede. So this one is called the Fidlock Sync Magnetic Band. This one's supposed to be magnetic. Let's give it a try. Okay, so orange color nylon Velcro strap. Okay, and this is the magnetic part. Interesting. I have yet to try one on yet, so let's try it on. First time on camera. This one off. The orange does match with my watch and the button and the black. All part of the game. I'm gonna put this up here on the bottom. Let's see how this works. Magnet first, let's try that. Okay, magnet first, then we tighten. Okay, magnet first, then tighten. Has holes for air breathability and comfortable. Does give me that rugged look that I'm looking for with an Apple Watch Ultra. Super nice. I would definitely throw this into my everyday, what's it called, lineup bands that I have. And trust me, I have a bunch, probably at least 10-15 bands. I love this part. This leather patch that's on it accents it very nicely. The magnet takes a little getting used to, not gonna lie. I put the magnet first and then the strap. Loosen magnet first, and then strap. Easy enough. Let me know in the comments what you think. I like it. Nice rugged look to it, outdoorsy, different. I could definitely see myself wearing it. On to the next one. This one is the Bandletic Rack Outdoor Band in the green color. It does come in a bunch of colors, tan, green, black, blue, and gray. I chose this one well because I love the color green. It just accents my eyes very well. Also love the orange contrast. Let's give it a go. Let's figure this one out. Let's start with the top, then we put this in. With the Velcro. This one feels a lot more military, I'll tell you that right now. Definitely rugged, outdoorsy, definitely. But I have to say, as much as this is not my style, it may just be my style now. Look at that. Love the design, look at that design. Green with the metal hook, holes, perforations. Rubber accent, I guess, so you don't scratch anything. It's pretty cool. You forget this when you have a metal band and you're typing on a keyboard and you're scratching up your band or the laptop. Very nice. Simple to use Velcro. I like the orange accents. Very nice. Okay, very nice Bandletic. I will more than likely keep this in my rotation as well. On to the next one. Now the next one is the Interlock Magnetic Outdoor Band. Similar, I'm guessing, the magnet to the first one that we tried out. Let's do it. Apple Watch straps first. Open. So this one I'm gonna do the magnet first and then tighten it. Magnet first, just clips right in, and then tighten. Okay, whew, I like this one. I don't know what it is about a black strap, but this one is beautiful. Look at that sexiness. Bandletic, I gotta give it to you. You know how to make straps. Orange accent, rugged design, comfortable. This patch over here, super easy to put on. As long as you put the magnet in first, you're gravy. Don't make that mistake I did. Magnet first. You have the magnet, then you can tighten it. Simple, easy. This one so far has been my favorite one I like the way it looks. All of them are great, but this one I probably have to rate a 9 out of 10. The other ones were like 8 out of 10s. All very good, don't get me wrong, but this one just does it for me. I can see myself using this every day. All right, one more. And last but not least, my favorite one in a different color, Bandletic Ultra Suede in light gray. I reviewed this one in another video, but this color stood out to me, so here I am trying it. I already know this is gonna be amazing, but we're gonna try it anyway. Pick this color because the accent between the light gray and the dark, love it. And easy to put on, very comfortable, very breathable. Just like any regular watch you have from the olden days. Slides right in, pause. Easy, simple, comfortable. Love this color. Definitely on my daily. Very nice, super nice color. Easy 9 out of 10. This is in comparison to the other color I have. I really like this one because it has the orange contrast, white stitching, orange contrast here. This one is just simple, plain, nice daily as well. Good to have in the rotation. And it fits nicely with the background I have. Yeah. And that is a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. All the Apple Watch bands that I got from Bandletic. I can say I love all of them. My favorite ones, this one and the Ultra Suede. These are also very nice for outdoors, very durable. Highly recommend. If you are interested in any of these bands, all of them will be linked down in the description below. I do make a little bit of money if you use that link, so I truly appreciate it. And if you like videos like this, please hit that like button, subscribe, share this with a friend that has Apple Watches that are into bands like me. Anything you do will help. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. And until next time, TechFix Reviews, out.